Welcome back. We're doing a barbecue chicken pizza tonight on Cooking Conspiracy. Start off by oiling a baking tray. I use olive oil. And then I give that tortilla a little swirl. Yes, that is a tortilla. And yes, that is our base, and it will make a beautiful stuffed crust. So I'm cutting these mozzarella sticks in half. They're string cheese, plain and simple. Make your perimeter. I like building walls. And you're going to roll up that tortilla just over the edges. Now, it's like when you build a tent. Sometimes you gotta stake it down. So that's what you're doing with the toothpicks. Don't stress about it. It's not rocket science. You know, basic construction skills. Now that you made your pool, fill it with barbecue sauce. Got some grilled chicken in there. Actually, I made it in a fry pan, but you don't know that. Some cheddar cheese, some mozzarella cheese, and whatever cheese you want to put in. Some red onion, because I like that. Oil up the crust, and I'm going to sprinkle some oregano on it. After I rub it in, of course. There you go. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Pull out on time, as always. It looks something like that. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty hot right now, so be careful removing those toothpicks. Put it on the cutting board, and you're going to just cut in half twice. Hot dog and hamburger, but it's a square, so is it really any different? Hot dog or hamburger style? I don't know, but you're cutting into fourths. Perfect pan pizza. The kiddos will love it. Enjoy it. You know, just make sure to let it cool and don't burn yourself.